Good morning, all of you. So now you are watching a YouTube channel that is Kumar and Madhusri Vlogs. So today our topic is about how to get good marks in NEET. Previously I did one video, most important topics and chapters in NEET physics to get 120 plus marks out of 180 in NEET. So in NEET physics, previously I did, you can watch, go to this channel there, search this channel there in YT channel, then you can see this video. Now, some based on students' requirement, so I make one separate video, how to get, students are different to get good marks. Very weak students are there in physics, some average students, some excellent students. Weak students, some are getting very less marks. Before watching, if you got negative mark or 0 mark or 10 mark or 20, but after watching this video, weak students also will get 80 to 100 marks, means 50% marks. How? By following strategy 1. In strategy 1, only easy topics are selected from both first year and second year. From easy topics, you will get 100 marks. Your target is 100 if you are weak student in physics. So I explained how it is possible by learning very easy topics, not so difficult, not so average. You don't know strong mathematics, by knowing very basic mathematics also you will get this mark in strategy 1. But some average students are there, they target more than 80, more than 100. They want to get 120 marks to 140 marks in NEET physics out of 180. They target 140. They can reach 140 target by following strategy 2. Means not only strategy 2, first they should complete strategy 1, then some additional topics are added. Those topics are moderate topics. Means not easy as well as not difficult. So after completion of this, they will reach 100, and by reading additional topics which are moderate topics in strategy 2, so they can score additional 40, so 140. So they can score in a NEET physics 75% of marks. Means, so if 1 or 2 bits are lost or 4 to 5 loss, then 120 must 120. So practice properly. So what I told, you did as it is, then you will get 120 to 140. Strategy 3, remaining topics. So what are the remaining topics from strategy 1 and strategy 2? Those topics may be difficult, may be a little bit confused in some problems. Some students always facing doubt with either plus or minus in some problems. So for that type of topics not given in strategy 1 and strategy 2. So that remaining topics covered in strategy 3. So in strategy 3, so you will reach the goal 180 out of 180 in physics. Maybe 1 or 2 if lost due to different so and so causes, then 4 to 5 loss, then 160 is sure. So if you are perfect in each and everything, you did everything what I told, then you can reach 180. So 160 to 180 student will reach by practicing like this, strategy 3. So I explained in strategy 1 topics, first year and second year, strategy 2 and strategy 3 also. Topics given in this video, but If you want videos relevant to topics and problems relevant to that topics, I will explain each and everything, all the topics and problems, and I will provide question papers, NTA NEET model question papers for both first year and second year. For chapter wise question paper, 45 questions, and model question papers I will provide if you join in physics club. So otherwise you can thorough from your books, then you will get surely this mark. If you join in physics club, then I will provide everything. It's highly helpful. Already you are reading somewhere in institute or college or somewhere. So additionally you can get marks by joining in physics club. So how to join in physics club? Just you go YT channel, YouTube channel, Kumar and Madhusri Vlogs. Then select this video. In video, first you subscribe this video. Then join button will be there. In blue letters, join button will be there. Just you touch that join button. Then you select options. Are you +1 student, 11th student or 12th student, or long-term student, or JEE student or NEET student? For JEE students also, question papers, only JEE question papers will be provided. That mains level question papers are provided. So those students also can join here. So based on you select and join there. So monthly, first you joined 1 month, you feel happy, you can continue in second month. That's your wish. But surely I can say one point, you will get additional marks by joining in physics club. So otherwise you practice as it is, you will get good marks. All the best. Strategy 1. In strategy 1, we discuss easy topic. So we will get marks 80 to 100 by reading easy topics. This strategy 1 highly useful for normal students. Means who is very poor in physics. Those students, by reading easy topics from first year and second year, they will get 80 to 100. Previously, they maybe get 20 marks, 30 marks, 40 marks in physics. So by preparing all the topics, by preparing these simple topics, very easy topics from both first year and second year, they can get marks easily, minimum 80, maximum 100. So average 50% marks. 50% means 90 marks easily they can get. So this one prepared based on NTA NEET exams, based on previous NEET exams. We know that NEET exams started from 2013. So 2013 onwards, question papers based prepared this one. So let's go. Can we start the topics? So we discuss which topics are there in first year. First year, nearly 9 topics are there. First one, units, dimensions and measurements. Physical mode is there but not given. So we started from this topic. This topic, a little bit confusion is there in significant figures. So need not to read this for getting 90. We start from this chapter except significant figures. Measurements is there. So you should read vernier calipers and screw gauge. That is part of measurements. Except significant figures. Remaining all topics you should prepare from this because all are easy topics. Laws of motion. This one very big chapter, but two simple topics are there. One is circular motion, second one is banking of roads. Mechanical properties of solids. Elasticity topic, this one also easy topic. So between third topic, collisions are there. Collisions, you know that mainly one-dimensional collision. Two-dimensional one bit is there. Just you prepare one-dimensional collision. So all the formulas should be covered here. Next, gravitation. In gravitation, mainly questions from these two topics: changes in G with height, with depth, with altitude, how G value changes at poles and equator, and satellites. Mainly questions on this topic also. Escape velocity and orbital velocity, that relation. V is equal to root 2 VO. So that relation based problems. Next, oscillations. In oscillations, the topic is characteristics of SHM. What are the characteristics? Displacement, angular velocity, frequency, time period, phase, velocity, acceleration. Simple pendulum. So different cases are there in simple pendulum. Mass loaded spring. Time period of mass loaded spring calculation. Then springs with series and parallel combination are related questions. Waves. Vibration of strings and organ pipes. These two are easy topics and most important topics. Eighth one, heat transfer and Newton's law of cooling. Ninth one is thermodynamics and KTG. KTG, maximum part will be covered in thermodynamics, the remaining part also. Total 9 topics. These 9 topics are easy and you can score easily 50%, means 90. So, by reading perfect these easy topics, you will reach 100 marks, but not only enough these first year topics. Second year topics also required. So these are the first year topics. Now we start second year topics. Now second year topics. First chapter, electrical charge, electric field, electric flux. So here this topic, basic topic from second year, first topic and most important topic, and most of the easy comparatively some of the topics, except spherical shell. This one is little bit difficult, so we can learn in remaining strategies. Strategy 1, our target 80 marks to 100 maximum. So left this one here. Second one, electrical potential, potential due to dipole, EPS, equipotential surfaces, system of charges. Next, third one, current electricity. This is the most important chapter, so easily every student can understand. So main advantage from only one and only this chapter is 5 bits covered in 2020 exam. 2020 September exam 5 bits, October exam also 5 bits from this chapter. Next, magnetism and matter. You know that this one is easy. Not magnetic effect of current, that is difficult. Moving charges and magnetism little bit difficult than this. So our target only easy topics. Fifth one, ray optics. So many students afraid after see this heading, ray optics. But ray optics, simple topics are there. Chapter ray optics difficult, but simple topics. That is pressure. That mu is equal to sin A plus T by 2 by sin A by 2. If it is thin prism, what happens? The simple things, dispersion, natural phenomena due to sunlight, how rainbow formed after raining. These simple topics are there in ray optics. Just read. Next, Wave optics. In wave optics, most important and easy topics is YDS, interference and Young's double slit experiment. Seventh one, dual nature of radiation and matter. 7, 8 atoms, 9th nuclei. So radioactivity, that logarithm based problems, little bit difficult, so leave it. 10th EM waves. 7 to 10, from these 4 chapters, 7 to 10 chapters, 5 bits will be covered. So focus on this, very easy topics. Why I am saying, in nuclei, atoms, EM waves, covered in chemistry also. These are the common topics. You will get more marks if you are perfect in these topics. And first year thermodynamics topic, marks covered in both physics and chemistry. So focus here. Next, semiconductor electronics with logic gates. Here a little bit transistor circuit difficult and Zener diode moderate. So except this, so remaining this easy topic up to PN diode and logic gates, prepare here. So here 11 chapters, first year 9 chapter. So not complete chapters, topics given, easy topics given. From these 20 chapters, easy topics are selected, just follow them. You will get surely these marks. Okay, thank you for watching. So already I told, so I will explain through videos all the topics with relevant problems. So you want to follow my videos, just join in my channel, Kumar and Madhusri Vlogs. Thank you. Strategy 2. So in this strategy, useful to get 140 marks out of 180, 75%. So nearly we get 75%. So it's, I hope, a very good mark in physics. But for getting this one, first we should read entire strategy 1. So after completion of strategy 1, we have to start this one. These topics are not so highly difficult, not easy, moderate topics. So we should do some more work, little bit hard than easy topics. So first, which topics are there in first year? This model. Motion in a straight line. So in this chapter, velocity, average velocity, acceleration, average speed, motion under gravity. So when body moves down, moves up, these all cases with the graphical based questions also there. So in this chapter, parallel, we should read basic mathematics. So here as the 8th topic given separately, basic mathematics, trigonometry basic topics, basic formulas, coordinate geometry basic formulas, algebra basic formulas. So all basic mathematics you should have an idea. Next, laws of motion. In laws of motion, strategy 1, 2 topics covered. Here 2 more topics. Newton's 3 laws of motion related questions. Here connected bodies related problems. Next, motion in a plane. One is projectile motion, another one is vectors. Vectors easy topic. Projectile motion you have to practice because our target is 140. Work, power, energy. Collisions topic, that one easy, not moderate. So already covered in strategy 1. This is 2. So after completion of strategy 1, this topic will start now. System of particles and rotational motion. Here, rotatory motion is a very difficult topic. But in that chapter, some topics, easy topics are there. Center of mass, center of gravity, principle of moments, angular displacement, theta, omega, alpha related questions. In straight line, B is equal to U plus AT. Similarly, here B replaced by omega, S replaced by theta, that acceleration replaced by alpha. So same, how you are doing problems in a straight line, that model you can do here also. But there is a straight line motion, here rotatory motion. Torque, couple, angular momentum. So law of conservation of angular momentum is there, that is L is equal to I omega. There is a relation between them. So direct formula based questions. Next, remaining moment of inertia, that one very highly difficult. For 180 target, we should prepare that. For 140 target, leave it. Rolling motion is a topic, so I added here. Only rolling motion. Next, mechanical properties of liquids. This one difficulty softer. They mainly Archimedes principle based problems are difficult. But remaining topic easy. Streamline flow, turbulent flow, Reynolds number. So based on this, we can decide flow is streamline or turbulent. Formula also there. Equation of continuity. A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Formula is there. Bernoulli's principle. Applications. Next, viscous force. F is equal to 6 by 8 RV. Stokes formula. Terminal velocity. Finally, capillarity. So prepare these easy topics. Easy. So I don't say moderate. This one little bit moderate. Then 7th topic. Last topic. Thermal properties of metal. Thermometry means different scales are there, relation between the scales. Next, thermal expansion of solids, liquids and gases. So just read them, these topics. Thermodynamics and KTZ covered in strategy 1. So by reading these 8 topics, so we can reach to 140. But I explained here only first year topics. Second year topics also there. So next, second year topics. Now second year topics. First one, moving charges and magnetism. In strategy 1, that is magnetism and matter. This one different, moving charges and magnetism chapter. Capacitors. So here PPC, parallel plate capacitor, energy stored in a capacitor. If it is connected to battery and when it is disconnected, the differences we can discuss. Dielectrics, polarization. Third one is ray optics. In ray optics, strategy 1. So some easy topic that present covered, that remaining balance is. So the reflection of light at a plane mirror. So this one is at curved surface, that one difficult, so not given in strategy 2. Refraction at plane surface, so easy topic, but not curved surface. Critical angle, total internal reflection. So applications are there based on TIL from 3. Now fourth one is wave optics. Wave optics in strategy 1, YDSE is there. Young's double slit experiment. Here polarization of light and alternating current. But additionally, that basic mathematics, so what I told, so you should read with chapters, you should practice basic mathematics also. So this much enough. First you read entire strategy 1 topics without left anything, and strategy 2 what I told previously in first year and second year topics. Okay, if you want these videos, the chapter related topic videos with problems. Then you join physics club through YouTube channel Kumar and Madhusri Vlogs. First, subscribe their channel. Join, one button is there. Switch join button. Then you will get videos relevant to this. In join button, options are there. If you are +1 student or +2 student or long term student, based on that you have to select option, so that monthly based you can join. One more advantage I will say by joining, I will give personally model questions also. Suppose you are a NEET student, you will get NEET NTM model questions for every chapter and overall syllabus, mock test questions with complete solutions you will get. So don't forget. For JEE students, JEE model questions you will get. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Strategy 3. Here, difficulty topics will be covered. Our target is NEET physics 180 out of 180. Then we should follow this strategy 3. In strategy 1 and 2, so maximum covered to get 140. That remaining 40 marks, to reach 180, we should follow the remaining topics. So then we can get 100% marks. So all are prepared based on NTA NEET exam. First year topics, that balance topics. Here measurements, first one is measurements. Measurements already covered in strategy 1. That balance topic is significant to us. Next, second one, motion in a straight line and motion in a plane. Here the balance topic is relative velocity in 1 dimension and 2 dimensions. Next, laws of motion. In laws of motion, easy topics, moderate topics, difficult topics, all topics are there. So a little bit difficult topics are pulley motion and equilibrium forces, pseudo force, friction. So friction, not a topic, just like a chapter. So we should read a total chapter here to reach 180. Next, constant equations. Next chapter from first year, rotatory motion. The major difficult topic in this chapter is M9, moment of inertia. Applications also there. Rotational kinetic energy based problems. These are difficult. Nothing is difficult by practice. So you should practice power. Fifth one is Pascal's law, pressure, density, Archimedes principle. These are balanced topics from fluids, mechanical properties of fluids. This one difficulty means topic not difficult, problems little bit difficult. Surface tension. In surface tension, not topic, this one entire chapter. Surface tension applications, surface energy applications. So in this chapter, capillarity will be covered previously. Now the balanced surface tension chapter, except capillarity, because already finished. Seventh one, calorimetry. This is the topic from heat chapter. In heat chapter, calorimetry is one of the topic. Next, eighth one, from oscillations chapter, balance topic, damped SHM, simple harmonic motion, forced oscillations and resonance. Finally, from waves chapter from first year, beats. So beat frequency only one formula, that is F is equal to F1 difference F2. But when we are solving problems completely based on logic, there is no formula for logical based problems. By practice you can do. Next, interference and superposition of waves. These are the balanced 9 topics. Again, like strategy 2 should practice basic mathematics strongly to solve the problems. Now we start first year completed, second year topics to reach 180 target, right? Strategy 3, second year topics. Our target 180 out of 180. In second year, first the balance topic, electromagnetic induction. Ray optics. Here difficulty topic is reflection of light at spherical mirror, refraction at curved surface, lens, power of lens. Optical instruments. Here microscopes and telescopes are there, simple and compound microscope, astronomical telescope and a terrestrial telescope. Wave optics, the remaining difficult topic is diffraction, RP, resolving power. Resolving power of optical instruments. Optical instruments means again microscopes, telescopes, lens, everything. Next, nuclei, radioactivity. So nuclei, it is given in strategy 1, again it is there. Without radioactivity, here radioactivity is there because logarithmic problems are involved. Semiconductor electronics, here junction transistor, circuits based on diodes and transistors. So Zener diode may be not covered in previously, so here I will write that one, Zener diode also. Zener diode based circuit problems also there. Logic gets completed. Here these 5 topics and first year the balance topics, not only enough, and multi-conceptual problems. You should practice multi-conceptual problems here to reach our target 180 out of 180. For strategy 1 and 2, straightly formula based problems only. But for 3, some students having target 100% marks, they should revise all the topics, but in this proper way. First complete 1, then strategy 2, then 3, finally multi-conceptual problems. Then you can score full marks. All the best. Follow like this. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.